In front of me is the ZTE Blade V2020, and let me show you how to activate and use camera timer in this device. So at first, just open the camera app. And now click on settings icon. Here you will notice timer, it's at the top of the list, so you will have no trouble with locating it. And now pick 1, 3, 10 or 20 seconds delay. So let me choose, for example, 3 seconds delay. Then let's go back, and as you can see from now on, you will have 3 seconds delay in grabbing a picture. And this is it. Obviously, if you would like to turn it off, you need to open settings again and smoothly turn the timer off. So this is it. That would be all. This is how you can use camera timer, how you can make some delay with grabbing a photo. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.